Yeah, for the sake of those that don't understand how to get the premium with the login that I sent to them, so I'll be creating this video now. So what you need to do is very simple. Most people get it. I think about 80% of everybody that just send a voice note to understand, but for those that maybe they don't really get it very well, I'll be creating this video. So what you need to do is go to Play Store like this Play Store. This will be your your normal interface on Play Store. So what you need to do is just come to this place, then come to manage Google account, this place like this. So you see several emails. I have a lot of emails here. So you switch to the email after you've logged in. So I can remove the email and show you how I can log in. Login is just like you coming to this place. If you haven't logged in, what you just need to do is click on add another account, Google like this. You get to tell you to put it. So you just put the automation folks, then next. So you said it's already on my device, so I don't need to log in. So at the same time, you can also do it with your Gmail. You come to Gmail like this. So you come to this place, you just click on add another account, Google. You add the email address. You get, so you follow the same process. You just put the email address I sent to you here and nest it. So once you nest it, it tells you to put the password. So you just put that password here, so you'll be in. So the next thing is that if you are using a mode version of autoresponder before on your Android phone, first of all, this is very important. You click open the autoresponder. So you come to this place like this, import and export rules with contact. You save it. You can save it with, let's say we're in October. I like saving it with the month name, October like this. Yet, so after saving with October, you clear cache and storage. How do you clear cache and storage? Open the folder like this. Like you long press the app. You come to this like info. On some phone you see app info, on some you just see that icon. So you come to storage, use it like this, just clear everything. Just clear cache. This one is here, you clear everything. So you clear, let me clear it now. I think I've saved it already, so that you understand. You clear it, then uninstall the app. You see uninstall like this, you uninstall it. Yes, I'm just using this for example so that we understand. Okay, now you go to Play Store back. You go to Play Store. So remember I've signed in already on the email that I sent you. You just come to this place. You switch to that email, the automation folks. This is it. So you search for autoresponder. You are downloading for the first time. That is if you have uninstalled the mode version or the one you had before. So you click on this one like this, then you install it. You get install it. So let me just pause the video so that it won't be too long. So now it's installing already. Install. So now let me open, get started. So it will first of all pop up that one, but it will just go within seconds. You can see something like this already on premium because of that email address I is logged in on my phone, and I downloaded it with that same email address that we paid for. So we are currently in version 4.04. So you just import back your rules. If you had rules before, like you import them, you exported the other time, so this time around you import like this, October. So then you turn on the autoresponder. So for those that are using it for the first time that don't understand how we got these rules, I want to give you a template. I call it the starter template that contains all those good morning, hi, hello, how are you, thanks, something like that. I think I have added stickers, I've added emoji like reaction. I also added account number, but I'm going to check and add more stuff that you might be needing. So yeah, this one is a bit complex. It's different for what you are using. So it's for those that paid for the big boys package. You get that one that say with real names and all of other stuff. So that's why I see some kind of code here. It's a bit different. The setting is different, but it's the same app. But we are using some plugins and some code with it. You get. So that's just how to log in and get this one. It's very simple. You get. So that's it. Now this one starts. I started working. You see the notification here. So this is my tasker. Everything is set like this, so I can start using my autoresponder, and that's all. So if you paid for Telegram Premium, there's one of my friends that said he wanted to get Telegram Premium as well, that we should contribute money together. So if luckily I'm able to get it with him, so I can give you the login as well, we can do the same thing. You get it. It's very simple.